What if I told you retiring in just 10 years isn't a fantasy at all? It's not luck. It's not magic. It's math. Most people spend 40 years working jobs they tolerate, counting down weekends, hoping one day things slow down. But with the right system, financial freedom doesn't have to wait that long. In this video, I'm going to break down an exact 8-step framework that makes early retirement not just possible, but predictable. And here's the warning up front: skip steps 3 or 7, and the entire plan falls apart. This is not about winning the lottery, gambling on hype investments, or surviving on beans and regret. This is about proven habits, smart investing, and building income the right way, the boring stuff that actually works. Alright, let's start with step 1, because this is the real reason most people never make it. Step 1: why most people fail at retirement. Most people imagine retirement as a straight line. Work hard, save a little, invest a little, and eventually life gets easier. Sounds reasonable. The problem is that this path feels painfully slow at the beginning. Early progress is almost invisible. You earn money, save a portion, invest consistently, and when you check your account, it barely looks different. That's when discouragement creeps in. Most people quit right there. Not because investing doesn't work, but because it doesn't feel like it's working. And quitting isn't proof the system failed. It's proof you didn't stay long enough. Think about a rocket launch. At first, it burns massive fuel, shakes the ground, makes an incredible amount of noise, and barely moves. That's compounding early on, heavy, frustrating, and unimpressive. But once the rocket breaks orbit, momentum takes over. Suddenly it's flying effortlessly at incredible speed. That's what most people never reach. They quit just before compounding flips from slow to unstoppable. So step 1 is simple: don't quit during the boring phase. The boring phase is the price of entry. Step 2, the math that changes everything. If progress feels invisible early on, how do you know compounding is actually working? This is where one simple math rule changes everything. It's called the rule of 72. Take the number 72 and divide it by your average annual return. The result is roughly how long it takes your money to double. If you earn about 10%, your money doubles every 7 years. That sounds slow, until you see the curve. Start with $20,000. 7 years later, it's $40,000. Then $80,000. Then $160,000. And suddenly the growth accelerates aggressively toward the end. The later years do most of the work. Here's the problem: most people quit between years 5 and 10, right before compounding really wakes up. That's like stepping off the rocket seconds before orbit. Now here's the second rule you need to know, the rule of 70. This one measures inflation. Divide 70 by the inflation rate, and you'll see how fast prices double. At just 3% inflation, your cost of living doubles in about 23 years. Which means your money doesn't just need to grow, it needs to grow faster than expenses. These two rules together reveal the truth: consistency isn't optional. It's how you outrun inflation and unlock compounding. Step 3: why saving alone won't work. Now let's talk about the mistake almost everyone makes at the beginning: relying on saving alone. Cutting expenses helps, but you can't retire early by skipping coffee forever. If your only strategy is saving a few $100s a month, you'll run out of time before compounding can help. For example, saving $400 a month for 10 years might get you around $75,000. That's progress, but not freedom. Now compare that to someone who earns more. Saving 10% of a $10,000 monthly income is $1,000 a month. Over the same 10 years, the difference is massive. The lesson is simple: wealth isn't built by suffering harder. It's built by combining income growth with controlled spending. Saving is defense. Income growth is offense. You need both to win. Step 4: building a portfolio that works. Where you put your money matters just as much as saving it. Leave it in cash, inflation eats it. Bet it all on one risky investment. One downturn can erase years of progress. Think of your portfolio like an airplane with 3 engines. Engine 1, growth, stocks and index funds that compound over time. Engine 2, income, dividends, cash-flowing assets that pay you along the way. Engine 3, safety, cash and conservative assets that keep you stable during crashes. Every investor's plane looks different. The point is having all 3 engines so turbulence doesn't knock you out of the sky. Step 5. Beating inflation, the silent enemy. Inflation doesn't destroy wealth overnight. It slowly erodes purchasing power year after year. If you stop contributing, inflation keeps moving. What feels like enough today may barely cover basics later. The fix is simple: increase your contributions by about 3% per year. If you invest $1,000 a month this year, make it $1,030 next year. It's barely noticeable, but over decades, it's massive. This habit alone can mean the difference between hundreds of thousands and over $1 million without changing your lifestyle. Step 6. Measuring progress the right way. Most people quit because they measure progress incorrectly. They see $50,000 or $100,000 and compare it to $1 million and feel hopeless. Instead, measure progress in freedom units. If your lifestyle costs $5,000 a month and your investments generate $500, you're already 10% financially free. That's half a workday every week permanently bought back. This mindset makes progress tangible long before retirement arrives. Step 7. The freedom number. So how much do you actually need to retire? Use the 25 times rule. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. If you spend $50,000 a year, your freedom number is about $1. 25 million. That's based on a 4% withdrawal rate. More conservative? Aim higher. You don't save this amount alone, compounding does most of the work. Your job is consistency. Step 8. The income multiplier. This is the real cheat code. You cannot budget your way into wealth. The biggest accelerator is income growth. 2 people start at $60,000. One stays there. The other grows income and invests the difference. Over time, the second person ends up with double, or more, the net worth. Income growth buys back decades of your life. This isn't about getting rich fast. It's about getting free, on purpose. If this video helped you, subscribe. The sooner you start, the sooner you're free.